Hello and welcome to Startup Hack. Today we are going to talk about reading files with C#. So let's jump right in. Make sure to check out the link down below because we always provide the code samples that you can pull down and follow along so you can see in our project. Do you want to earn $100,000 a year? Do you want to become a software developer within just 3 months? With our amazing course and awesome tutors, you never have to worry about getting stuck. We help students to learn skills that companies want to hire. We are Startup Hack. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's get started. Alright, let's start with the StreamReader. If you save the data to files, you might want to know how to retrieve that data from a specific file. Reading files is done with the StreamReader. It almost works the same as the StreamWriter, but the StreamReader works the other way around. The StreamReader located in the system.io namespace, which has a lot of methods and functions we can use to read data from a stream. A stream is a sequence of bytes which can be retrieved from various sources. Sources can be files, network connections, or memory buffers. The StreamReader has a lot of methods, but the most important methods are read, will read the next character from the input, ReadLine, reads the next line of the characters in the stream, and ReadToEnd, reads all the characters from the current position to the end of the stream and return it as a string. So the easiest way to retrieve data from a file is to initialize the StreamReader and read all the data from the beginning of the file to the end. And this is how it is done. The ReadToEnd on the StreamReader reads the whole file and places it in a variable, or as in this example, writes it to the console output. This is a great way of a reading file in which you don't know what the content is or how it is constructed. In some situations, you might want to read a file line by line. We will still use the StreamReader, but we won't use the ReadToEnd. Instead, we are going to use a while loop and the read line. So here's the example. The condition of the while is that it should return as long as the reader.readLine is in null. If it is in null, it will place the contents of the current line into the variable line, which you can use to read, manipulate, change, or whatever. Pretty easy, right? While doing some extra investigation, I found numerous. Okay, now, reading and parsing JSON. One of the most convenient ways of storing information can be done with a JSON. A JSON is a well-known lightweight data format that is stored as a text, but it's easy to deserialize to an object in C#. To read this file with C# and convert it into a list of movies object, I need to initialize the StreamReader, point at the file, use JSON deserializer to deserialize the data from the file and convert it into the list of movies. So here's the example. The first part is what we saw earlier, initialize the StreamReader and read the file to an end. This way we have all the data we need, the whole JSON data that is. Then I use JSON deserializer.deserialize to convert that data from the file to a list movie. The object movie is declared at the bottom of the example. So after I have deserialized the JSON, I loop through the list of movies and showed it on the screen. Alright, the last type is handle encrypted data. If you want to read encrypted data from a file, data you have encrypted, you need to decrypt it. There are few important elements here: the encryption key, the initialization vector, and the whole content of the file. This is how you can read a file and decrypt the data. This is the function. The first thing we need to do is convert the data from the file, a string, to a byte array. After that, we create a new AES object and tell AES what the key and 4 are. Instead of encryptor, we create a decryptor which receives the key and 4. Next, we create a new memory string which gets the encrypted bytes, then a new crypto stream which gets the initialized memory stream, the decryptor, and a stream mode of read. And last, we create a StreamReader that gets the crypto stream. The StreamReader holds all the information and can read the readable data and send it back with the read to end. You retrieve all the decrypted data. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned many steps how you can read file from C#. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. To joining our course, you can simply go to our website called startuphack.com. Thank you.